In this video, we are going to be analysing Fubo because it was requested in the comments. Now, to get straight into it, we're currently sitting at $1.85, we're basically flat on the day. But what is the key area that we're trading at? Why is it key to be noting where we are now? So what you can see is if we go on to the 6-month and 1-year chart, this is our first deviation on the 6-month, this golden line here. What you can see is obviously we tested it as a resistance, sold off. Tested it as a resistance, sold off. Now this time we tested it and now we're kind of consolidating on here. So to me, I would still be cautious right now. It's not bullish, it's not a bearish signal right now, because again, when you retest a level, you're more likely to break it. Considering this is a third attempt, we are a lot more likely to break it. But to kind of justify the move to the upside, what we really want to see is kind of a move away from this level, probably above 225. Come back to test it as a support, and then if that level holds, then we could be a bit more long bias on it. But for right now, in that consolidation period, it's just a gamble if you're trying to get in at this level. So not something I would be looking to trade. And sorry, that is the natural gas reminder because it's coming out in 5 minutes. So yeah, we got the 185 resistance or support now. If we break high, we then have 235. This would be key. Again, this would be used as a target to the upside, so I'd be paying attention to that. Again, the first time we hit that level, looking at it short bias, and then our target would be this 185. Again, if you're more of a trend trader, you want us to wait for the break of this, then again, probably want to see it test this. We get that sell off, and then when it tests, or if it can test it again, then we're more likely to break and continue to that next level, which in this case is going to be $2.80. If we break that, we then have 340, 375, and 445. All of these are going to be key resistances. Obviously, the higher the deviation, the more or the stronger the probability of a reversal. So this first one, I never tend to play all that much, and if I do, it's small size. The reason for that is, again, they're just not as high probability as if we go higher up. So those I look to trade, or either I don't trade them or they're small size. Now going on to the 280, the 340, these are our 2-second deviations. This level I do like to trade. Again, playing that pullback is the main focus with this. And then if we can come up to our 440 to 375, this is our third deviation. Now this is where I'm a lot more confident in an overall reversal, not just a pullback. So usually I'll hit these ones with the heavier size so we can lock in some profits along the way and still have quite a lot to let it run with. So those are the key resistances. Just to quickly note a support, we do have a 130 and 90 cent support, or well, not supports, but these are statistical means. So this is basically fair value on Fubo. So if we're looking at it to buy it or an investment standpoint, usually I want to be buying at that value or below. Again, if I'm investing, I never want to be buying above this area, just because again, then we're paying a high premium when it's probably going to pull back at this level at some time anyway. And again, this is investment. Most of the analysis we do is trading focused, but I do like to cover this bit always at the end from an investment standpoint, just in case you're more of an investor or long-term holder of Fubo. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you will probably enjoy this video too.